like I said, I'm creating an ecosystem, and it's going to be, for the most part, self-sustainable once I put covering on. So the sooner you create this ecosystem, or create an environment for this ecosystem to thrive, the sooner you can start healing your land that you have been blessed to be a steward of. So, we bought this land in 2010. If I would have done this 10 years ago, just think of how fertile this land would be right now. So it's important to do it as soon as you can. Cover the earth, create the environment to where an ecosystem can flourish and heal the land.
Why the mulch?
It's a great covering. It retains moisture. It breaks down into awesome soil. It's packed with life, packed with nutrients. This is a tree that was living for, decades or hundreds of years. We don't know which trees were shredded for this, but we know it was at least decades. So that's a lot of decades of nutrient uptake. So here we have a lot of nutrients that we're bringing back to the land that has run off because, it's just not had any organic matter that was able to be retained because of the soil structure, the heavy clay. But we're covering it now, and so the microorganisms will do their job and mix this in